Welcome back to the on-chain analysis class for beginners with Eki BTC. In the last lesson, we learned about NUPL and how it reveals what the market feels, the balance between unrealized profit and loss. But today, we're going one level deeper. Because while NUPL shows how much profit or loss people are sitting on, the question is, are they actually taking that profit or panic selling at a loss? That's where today's metric comes in. It's called realized profit and loss, or realized PnL. Let's break it down. Every time someone moves Bitcoin on-chain, it's possible to estimate whether they're realizing a gain or a loss, based on the price they paid versus the current price. If a wallet receives Bitcoin at 20K and moved it again when BTC hit 40K, they're realizing a profit. If a wallet received Bitcoin at 60K and sent it out at 30K, they're realizing a loss. Realized PnL tracks these movements across the entire network and shows the total amount of profit or loss being locked in by investors every single day. It's like a live feed of the market's emotions in action. Here's how to read the chart. When green bars spike, it means the market is realizing large profits. On the other hand, when the red bars spike, it means heavy losses are being realized. Now here's the key insight. These spikes don't just show what's happening now. They often mark turning points in the cycle. When realized losses spike, it often means capitulation. These red spikes usually come after long downtrends, when weak hands finally give up and sell a loss. We saw it at the bottom of the 2018 bear market. We saw it again in the March 2020 COVID crash, and once more during the 2022 cycle low. In each case, massive losses were realized. People sold in fear, and those red spikes mark the final washout before the next rally. It's the pain before the turning point. When realized profits spike, it often means euphoria. That's right, green profit spikes often show up during euphoric tops. Think of it like this. When everyone is in profit and rushing to sell, that flood of realized gains adds selling pressure and can mark the end of a bull market. This happened in 2017 and again near the top of the 2021 cycle. These moments tell us the market is getting overheated and maybe due for a correction. So how can you use realized PnL? It's all about context. If you see huge red loss spikes after a long downtrend, that could be capitulation, a time to watch for a potential bottom. If you see massive green profit spikes after a big rally, that could mean euphoria, a good time to manage risk and stay cautious. It's not a magic signal on its own, but when combined with other metrics like NUPL, PnL multiple, and HODL waves, it gives you a much clearer picture of where we are in the Bitcoin cycle. And remember, these are not just charts. They are the emotions of millions of people captured in real time, directly from the blockchain. Learning how to read them helps you make decisions based on logic, not hype. That's it for today. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson with Eki BTC.